Dear friends, today I will speak about the achievement of Congress in India. I am, being an ex-congressman, would like to highlight the achievement with a story. Hope you like it. This is based on the facts. Recently, a guy came from abroad, non-resident Indian, to Bangalore after 20 years. He is a Bhakt of Modi. As he landed at Bangalore airport, he was astonished to see Bangalore airport. He came out and took a taxi to find a beautiful car. He found a taxi which is a beautiful car, far more better than when he left India. He explores beautiful buildings and roads. After seeing the marvelous metro, he said to the taxi driver, "What Modi has done to India? He developed a lot. He built a beautiful airport, a marvelous metro." The taxi driver looked to him and cut his talk and said, "All this made by the Congress." He said, "All these buildings, roads, offices, metro, parks, gardens, schools, colleges, universities, secretariats, courts, buildings, legislative buildings, water pipelines, sewerage lines, electrical lines, solar park to drip irrigation project, all built by Congress. From scratch to superpower, all made by the Congress. When India was not able to produce a needle, Congress built everything. If you compare Modi or BJP achievement, it is nothing in front of Congress. Modi achievement is 0.0001 in front of the Congress. This is only in Bangalore. Go to villages. Every village electrified, water sewerage system developed, schools, colleges, universities, dispensaries to hospitals in every district, engineering colleges, polytechnic colleges, office of the municipalities and other departments like the public works department or road and building department or collectorate office or collector office, all built by the Congress. In every village and every district school, who did it? Who made it? Congress. Congress ruled for only 60 years. They built railway lines, roads, and a transport system, state bus service to present luxurious bus service, all done by the Congress. In 60 years, Congress built a Pinto plane. The taxi driver said in 60 years, Congress, with meager resources, low manpower, without machine and technology, built to a superpower. What Modi did? Congress did electrification to 6.5 lakhs villages, whereas Modi did electrification to only 18,000 villages in his tenure. Congress built India from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Today India is what Congress and other parties did. Modi enjoying the fruits. The plant was sowed and nurtured by the Congress. The NRI, thinking himself big shot, looks too small in front of the taxi driver. When he came home, see his ailing father, a retired government and a Congress supporter, he felt that his father was asking him what I wanted to know, what you wanted to know, what Congress did in 60 years. The school you studied is made by Congress. The college you got your inter degree was built by Congress. The engineering college you got the engineering degree built by the Congress. The schools, the colleges, engineering colleges are not building only. They need to be manned, all done by the Congress. You got scholarship in the school, colleges, in professional engineering degrees provided by the Congress. You went for the higher studies to you went abroad for higher studies. The Congress government funded for higher education. Now you are able to ask Congress what you did in 60 years. My dear friend, the story webbed to an argument with a Modi Bhakt. And the moral of the story is that we should be genuine, observe and study and judge. What you gain is what is on the ground. What are the facts? See the facts. Do not go with propaganda and fake and misguided messages and try to see the world with other eyes. See with your own eyes. Use your brain and intellect to get the truth. Develop a good conscience. Judge things on merit. Do not sweep yourself with air. Hold the ground. Judge the things. Find the facts. Think thrice before jumping to any conclusion. When I argued with the Bhakt, I realized that Congress people also did not know their achievement. When Congress left, our forex exchange was $480 billion. Today we have just merely $600 billion. If Congress would be in power, we would cross around $2 trillion forex reserve. I felt stressed to see the achievement of Congress. Congress made India from pauper country to superpower. When we got independence, what we had, from there we started our journey, building India brick by brick. We had British time, infrastructure, but later we started our own. We built a huge army. We built a layers of Indian protection system, paramilitary forces to BSF, CRP. We built Kashmir to Kanyakumari police stations, police manned, organized and disciplined army. We created a police system. We created we made a police stations from all over India. We created a legal system, courts in every district, around 675 courts in India. High courts we built it, Supreme Court we had it. We created their buildings, not only made high courts or courts only buildings, we manned them, developed the legal system, we draft and design policies, we make laws. Huge work done by the Congress. Roads, rails, bridges, dams, parks, gardens, water reservoirs, sewerage system, municipal offices and electrical departments, many things. We develop everything. Official buildings, institutions from north to south and east to west, railways, bus stations, institutions, nearly 2 million schools, lakhs of junior college and degree colleges, medical colleges, law colleges, pharma colleges, dental colleges, nursing colleges, polytechnics, agriculture colleges, 500 universities, IITs and AIMs. My head boomerang. Congress did all in 60 years with meager resources and low skilled manpower. No machines, no technology. The Congress paid, and what we are today. Congress made it India what we are today because of the Congress, because Congress did the work on the ground. When I asked Bhakt what Modi did, he said abrogation of the 370, Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, Ayushman COVID vaccination, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Azadi Ka Amrit Utsav, Garib Kalyan Yojana, Pradhan Kisan Samadhi Nidhi, Ujjwal Yojana, Jyoti Yojana, Vande Bharat. He expressed. But all these projects are initiated by Congress, and it is a Congress project renamed by Modi. Most of the projects are failed projects. Whatever the new design projects Modi started are failed projects. Jyoti Yojana, Modi gave 18,000 villages only, whereas Congress gave 6.5 lakhs villages. Modi gave only 18,000 and Congress gave 6.5 lakh villages. Yes, some of the AIMs, IIMs, IITs built by the Modi government are still temporary campuses. There is no campus built till now. This is a partially true because majority of the project pre-planned and pre-designed by the UPA Congress government, and UPA government designed these projects with 50, 35 and 15 basis. The central government provided 50%, state government 35% and others organization provide 15%. By this way, this IIMs and IIFs were designed by the Congress and it is under progress. The Modi government implemented. Modi hiked the fees of all these institutions so much hiked. Even affordable people, middle class people cannot afford it. Modi hiked the fees like this. Faculties are empty. Thousands of vacancies in these institutions not filled till now. These institutions are excellent because of heavy funding in the research work. The Modi government gave 3% of the research work budget. How much? Only 3% research work budget Modi government provided. Majority government schools and colleges need teachers all over India. No recruitment, vacancies lying vacant. No faculty means no education. Students remain illiterate. Come to the Vande Bharat, the Train 18, projects of Congress named Vande Bharat. The Train 18 project of Congress named Vande Bharat. Congress dropped and shelved this project, Vande Bharat, the Train 18 project, dropped and shelved because it was not feasible. The project was not feasible and there is a danger to the people's lives because Train 18, which you call Vande Bharat, was not stable at above 110 and 120 km speed, whereas Shatabdi is stable at the speed of 160 to 180 kilometers. Shatabdi was also safe. That is the reason Congress shelved it to think people and public safety. Modi is using it for his publicity. See the difference. They cut the education budget. Congress' smart policy of providing scholarship to the students that boosted schooling and education system in India. Private sector came forward to build school, colleges, universities, engineering colleges and medical colleges. The continued trade and now what is the only did by Modi government is by encouraging hatred. The continued rhetorics by Hindu religious godmen, media and BJP leaders created fear and victimhood in most Hindu BJP supporters. By encouraging hatred, they are trying to create a Hindu vote bank. By encouraging hatred against Muslims, they are trying to create a Hindu vote bank. The continuous campaign created victimhood among most of the Hindu people. They are feeling happy and proud to kill Muslims. They rejoice in punishing Muslims. Such an attitude is too dangerous for Indian democracy, for India. Think thrice for such a game. This will destroy the country and the majority of the people. History teaches us, all pundits and leaders said in short, what has the Hindutva movement gained by the scapegoating Muslims as a grave danger to India. As a grave danger to India. So think about the Congress, vote for Congress. Congress is best for India and best for Indian people, for progress, for development, for stable economy. Congress is must, and please vote for the Congress in Karnataka and wherever it is. And from this today, vote only for Congress. Thank you.